Hello! I want to share with you something I realized a while ago. Kasi dati, hindi ko naman to iniisip. Hindi ako ganito mag-isip. Pero ito, you are exactly where you need to be. I am exactly where I need to be. It may not make sense because of the circumstance I am in or you are in. But I now believe that you are exactly where you need to be able to go on to the next stage of your life. I know it's hard to believe, but please bear in mind that life is meant to be lived, not just survive. So if you're currently in survival mode, please believe na temporary lang to. You are meant to live. So please hold on, survive, and then live.